Raising your vibrational frequency is key to attracting the positive experiences and outcomes you desire in life. The law of attraction teaches us that we attract what we focus on, and by elevating our vibrational energy, we can align ourselves with abundance, love, and success. In just 10 minutes a day, you can begin to shift your energy and set yourself up for attracting your desires. Let's explore the ways to raise your vibrational frequency. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools you have to raise your vibration. When you focus on the things you're thankful for, it shifts your perspective from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. This simple yet revolutionary practice instantly connects you to a higher frequency of positive energy. Take a moment to list 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small they seem. Whether it's the sunshine, a good meal, or the love of a friend, each moment of gratitude increases your vibrational frequency. The more deeply you feel gratitude, the more effective it becomes. It's not just about thinking of things you appreciate, but truly feeling the warmth, joy, or peace that gratitude brings. Allow yourself to sit with that feeling for a few moments and let it expand. When you feel the emotions of gratitude in your body, your frequency rises and your energy begins to align with the frequency of abundance. This simple act sends a signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more of what you appreciate. Gratitude not only raises your vibration, but also rewires your mind to focus on the positives in life. This shift in mindset creates a ripple effect, making it easier to attract more good things. The more you practice gratitude, the more natural it becomes to maintain a positive, high vibration mindset. By beginning your day with gratitude, you start from a place of abundance, and the law of attraction responds by bringing more blessings into your life. Breathing is a powerful, yet often overlooked, tool for raising your vibrational frequency. Deep, mindful breathing helps to calm your nervous system, clear your mind, and ground your energy. When we are stressed or anxious, our energy becomes scattered, which lowers our vibration. But by focusing on your breath, you can center yourself and restore a sense of balance. Sit in a comfortable position, hold for a moment, then exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be carrying. Breathing deeply has both physical and emotional benefits. Physically, it oxygenates your body, allowing for the optimal flow of energy throughout your system. Emotionally, it helps you to release negative emotions such as stress, fear, or frustration, which can lower your vibrational frequency. As you breathe in deeply, visualize any negative energy leaving your body with each exhale. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. This practice not only calms your mind, but also raises your vibrational energy. By practicing deep breathing regularly, you train your body to maintain a calm and centered state, even in stressful situations. This heightened sense of awareness helps you stay grounded and focused, which is essential for manifesting your desires. When you center yourself in this way, you become more attuned to the flow of energy around you, and your vibration naturally rises. A consistent practice will make this state of calmness and heightened energy your default, aligning you with the frequency of abundance. Affirmations are powerful statements that help you reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeating affirmations that resonate with your desires, you align your energy with the vibrations of those desires. Choose affirmations that feel empowering, such as, "I am worthy of love and abundance," "I attract positive experiences into my life," or "I am in perfect harmony with the universe." The key to making affirmations effective is to say them with belief and emotion. It's not enough to simply repeat words. You must feel them as true in your body. When you speak affirmations aloud, try to truly feel the truth of them. Visualize your life as if your affirmations have already come true. Imagine yourself already living the life you desire, successful, joyful, and abundant. This mental picture, combined with the emotional energy of your affirmations, sends a powerful vibrational signal to the universe. The stronger and more vivid the energy behind your words, the more quickly your reality will begin to shift. Affirmations also help stay aligned with your desires throughout the day. Whenever negative thoughts or doubts arise, you can counter them with your positive affirmations. Over time, as you repeat these affirmations, they will become part of your subconscious programming. This inner shift is essential for maintaining a high vibrational frequency and for attracting the positive experiences you want. Visualization is an incredibly effective way to raise your vibrational frequency. By vividly imagining the life you want to create, you send out energy that matches your desires. To begin, find a quiet space where you can relax. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life. Picture yourself living the life you want in vivid detail. See yourself in the job you desire, surrounded by the people you love, experiencing the success and joy you crave. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the stronger the vibrational connection to your desired reality. Visualization engages your senses and emotions, making the experience feel real on a subconscious level. As you visualize, allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with that reality: happiness, excitement, love, peace, and satisfaction. When you connect to these positive emotions, your vibration naturally rises. The law of attraction works by matching the energy you emit with similar energy from the universe. The clearer and more real you make your vision, the faster the universe will bring it into manifestation. Over time, regular visualization helps keep your vibration high even when you encounter challenges. By focusing on the life you desire, you anchor yourself to a positive future, and this energy attracts the opportunities and people you need to manifest it. Make visualization a daily practice, and you'll find that your dreams begin to take shape in the physical world as your frequency aligns with the energy of your desires. Sound is a powerful tool for raising your vibrational frequency. Music has an inherent ability to shift your mood and energy, making it an excellent choice for altering your vibration. Choose music that makes you feel positive, uplifted, or inspired. Classical music, nature sounds, or specific frequencies like 432 Hz or 528 Hz are particularly known for their ability to align with high vibrational energy. These frequencies resonate with the body's natural energy, helping to clear blockages and increase the flow of positive energy. Listening to music is an immediate way to shift your energy and create a positive atmosphere. Whether you're at home, in your car, or at work, simply playing uplifting music can help raise your vibration. Let the music fill you with joy and positivity, allowing it to wash over you and elevate your mood. Pay attention to how certain songs or sounds make you feel, and choose those that make you feel alive, inspired, and connected to your higher self. If you're engaging in meditation, manifestation, or any other practice to raise your frequency, consider incorporating sound frequencies. Many people find that listening to these specific frequencies enhances their ability to focus and connect with the energy of manifestation. The combination of music and intention can amplify your vibrational frequency, making it easier to attract the experiences you desire. Mindful movement is a wonderful way to raise your vibration because it releases physical and emotional tension, allowing energy to flow freely through your body. Activities such as yoga, tai chi, or even simple stretching can help open up energy channels and raise your vibrational frequency. Start with gentle movements, paying attention to the way your body feels as you stretch or move. Focus on each muscle group, and with each stretch, visualize releasing stagnant energy and inviting in new, positive energy. Movement also connects you to the present moment, grounding you in the here and now. Often, when we're caught in stress or worry, our energy becomes scattered. Mindful movement, it helps you refocus, calm your mind, and bring your attention back to your body and breath. As you move, focus on how the energy feels and allow it to spread throughout your body. This practice raises your vibration by promoting mental clarity, physical vitality, and emotional balance. If you find that you're feeling stuck or blocked, incorporating mindful movement into your daily routine can help break through any energetic stagnation. Stretching or gentle movement practices can become a daily ritual to reset your energy and keep you aligned with high-frequency energy throughout the day. Your environment and the people you spend time with greatly influence your vibrational frequency. Negative relationships or toxic environments can lower your energy, while uplifting and supportive people can help raise it. Begin by evaluating the relationships in your life. Are they supportive, empowering, and positive, or do they drain your energy? If you find that certain people or environments are consistently lowering your vibration, it may be time to distance yourself or set boundaries. Creating a positive environment also plays a crucial role in raising your frequency. Surround yourself with things that make you feel happy, peaceful, and inspired. Whether it's decluttering your space, bringing in plants, or adding items that bring you joy, your surroundings can impact your mood and energy. By creating a space that feels good to be in, you send out a signal to the universe that you are worthy of a high vibration life. As you engage with positive people and environments, you'll begin to notice that your own energy shifts. Positive people support you, encourage you, and help keep your energy high. Surrounding yourself with these types of relationships allows you to elevate your own frequency and align more easily with your desires. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you will gradually raise your vibrational frequency, allowing you to align more closely with the energy of your desires. The law of attraction works by matching the energy you emit with similar energy from the universe. The more consistently you raise your vibration, the more the universe will mirror your positivity and abundance. I saw that. Practice gratitude, visualization, and positive affirmations, and you'll find yourself attracting greater happiness, success, and fulfillment. Keep your frequency high and watch as your dreams begin to manifest in your life. If this video resonated with you, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content on how to raise your vibrations and manifest your desires. Stay positive and keep your energy aligned with the life you deserve.